Are sharing 6 healthy low-calorie snacks for weight loss. There are a lot of snacks that claim to be healthy, but turn out to be anything but. However, if you're trying to lose weight but still want a snack throughout the day, consider some healthy, low-calorie options to suit every taste. Why snack? Research has shown that snacking can help with weight loss, particularly if the snacks are low in calories but high in fiber and protein. From sweet fruits and yogurts to more savory offerings, here are 6 great options that will help keep your calories in check without leaving you feeling hungry. 1. Fresh fruits and vegetables. Fill up on fiber-rich foods like fruits and vegetables. Not only are they low in calories, but they also help keep you feeling full longer. Water-rich fruits, such as apricots, peaches, and pineapple, are even lower in calories than most fruits, but still taste great. 2. Greek yogurt. This type of yogurt is packed with protein, which can help promote weight loss. It's also a good source of calcium, which can help keep bones strong. Add fruit or granola toppings for even more healthy fiber. 3. Popcorn. Air-popped popcorn is a healthy and low-calorie snack option. Make sure you avoid the buttery versions that are high in fat and calories and go for plain popcorn instead. 4. Soup. A bowl of soup can make a filling and satisfying snack. Choose varieties that are lower in sodium and fat, like black bean soup or sweet potato soup. 5. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are a good source of protein and can help keep you feeling full. Avoid adding high-calorie toppings, such as mayonnaise or cheese. 6. Pretzels. Pretzels are a low-calorie snack that can help satisfy your hunger. Just be sure to choose the right kind, avoid the ones that are coated in chocolate or other high-calorie toppings. Snacking doesn't have to be a guilty pleasure. If you're looking for healthy, low-calorie snacks that will help you lose weight, look no further. These 6 great options are perfect for any taste, and they'll keep your calories under control without leaving you feeling hungry. Next time the craving hits, reach for one of these delicious snacks instead. Share your feedback in the comments section below. If you want to see more such weight loss and fitness tips, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family.